Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another one. We are currently headed to the local hardware store, Hardware Hanks, to pick up some more smoker pellets. Today we're going to be smoking some chicken drumsticks on the pit. I think we'll get some mesquite pellets. So we're back from the hardware store. We got the drumsticks here. We got all the ingredients we're going to need to make this marinade. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pat dry the drumsticks. I've already done that. And we're going to transfer the drumsticks into a bowl. We got the drumsticks in there. The first thing we're going to add is our apple cider vinegar here. We're going to be doing about a half a cup of this. So I'm just going to eyeball it, I think. That's probably half a cup. We're going to do about a quarter cup of tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup. Now we're going to do about a quarter cup here. So we'll just pour some in there like that. We're going to do about a quarter cup of honey here from Garcia Honey Farm, the family bee farm. We're going to do a quarter cup. That's about a quarter cup. Then we're going to do a couple tablespoons of Dijon mustard. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Probably about 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to do about a half a cup of soy sauce. We're going to use the less sodium soy sauce because we're trying to be healthy here. I don't know whether this is healthy, but hey. So we're going to do about a half a cup. Then we're going to give our secret sweet and spicy rub. Any sweet and spicy rub will do. We're going to add a little bit of this in there. Just a little bit. Now we're going to mix that together. Make sure everything's all mixed in. So we got our trusty Ziploc bag here. It's not actually a Ziploc, it's a great value, but well, gallon size. Dump the marinade of the chicken into the bag. That was a good one. Oh man, it's fun. We're gonna seal it up, squeeze the air out of it, and I'll throw it in the refrigerator. Let it sit, marinate for a couple hours. Like I said, 12 to 18 hours. So we're back out at the Pit Boss. We just turned it on. We set it to 250. Right now it's only at 178. So we're gonna let it keep warming up here for a little bit. But we did get the chicken out of the refrigerator. It's all marinated up. So we're gonna let the Pit Boss warm up a little bit more here before we put it in. So we're gonna give it another probably 15 minutes or so. It's like 6 degrees outside right now. It's taking a while to warm up, and then we will throw our chicken on. It'll take about an hour to cook or so, and 10 minutes to crisp up there at the end, and that'll be it. All right. So we've got the Pit Boss up to temp. Oh, look at that. We're going to put these straight on. A lot of people use the racks they make for these things, the chicken wing racks. I'm just gonna put them straight on the grill and rotate them throughout the cook time. They're gonna cook for about an hour. Right at the end, we're gonna crank it up to about 300 and let the skin crisp up and get that nice crisp outside. So we'll check back in. Oh, this one's getting a little crispy. Okay, we'll put it up on top here. Go out of the heat a little bit more and turn these ones. And check back. Alright, so we're gonna just quick check the internal temp here. We want to be at about 170 here. See what we read. About 120 or so. Probably want to let this go just a little bit longer here. Alright, so I turned it up to 300. Last time I was out here, they weren't quite up to the temp I wanted to, but I wanted them to get up to 170 as quickly as possible, hopefully. And kind of crisp up there. I think the ones on this right side over here where the heat's blowing are done. I'm not 100% sure about these ones over here where it's kind of off the heat. Those ones are good. Still about 130 yet, so we're gonna put them right here above the heat to finish off quick. And we'll let all that sit for another 5 or 10 minutes. All right, yes sir. Look at those. Man, oh man. Bad boys are ready to go. Perfect. Boys, we're done. Turn that off. Ooh-wee. Look at those. Oh man. We got the chicken done. Got some taters and Brussels to go along with it. Look at that delicious meal right there. Thanks for joining us on another great, delicious recipe. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. If you did, leave us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And check us out on social media at Banded Bill Outdoors on both Instagram and Facebook. And check out our merch at www.bandedbilloutdoors.com. We'll see you guys on the next one.